Anusha, your diva on duty, and welcome to Be Beautiful presents the Glam Band, where I'm giving the ultimate makeovers and you don't want to miss this next one. She's a plus size girl, she's super confident, she knows how to dress a lot of other people because she's a fashion designer, but she just doesn't know how to dress herself. But that's what I'm here for. Are you ready? Hi Divya, welcome to my Glam Band.
Thank you.
Come take a seat. Be comfortable. All right, so tell me, you're a fashion designer. How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
23, amazing. Okay, so tell me from the beginning, how did this journey come about?
I was very skinny when I was, 6 years old, till 6 years old.
Okay.
And then I had PCOD. And I tend to gain weight and I'm not able to lose it.
Okay.
I used to go to events and marriage functions, family functions,
Okay.
and those typical aunties, oh Babbu, teri beti to itni moti ho gayi hai. And like, can you just say it politely? I feel hurt.
Yeah.
But they don't understand, and then I started quitting, like not going to parties and all. It was very embarrassing for me. And there was this instance when I went on a date with a guy and he was like, oh, you're cute. I was like, thank you. But then he said, तुम्हारे डोले तो मेरे से भी बड़े हैं. I was like, what did you say?
Blocking out the noise is always difficult, but we are here to help with a lot of that because I'm going to kind of hold your hand through it. It's so interesting to know you're a fashion designer. Do you dress people of all sizes?
Yeah,
You
I do.
So what's going on?
I need people's validation and opinions.
That's super honest. Can I tell you? No one normally would admit that, and that's the beauty in you. And that's the first step to becoming confident, let me tell you. All right, so I hear you have an alter ego
Yeah.
on Instagram that kind of helps you get through maybe your days that you
Yeah.
don't feel so good. Tell me about her.
So, she's Firdaus Apa. She knows all the fashionistas.
Okay.
She's the queen.
Okay.
And she doesn't care what people say. I have a tiny bit of her, but the society doesn't let me open up.
Well, we're going to turn you into the real, original Firdaus Apa. So you
Oh
don't
my
have
God.
to hide behind her anymore. You're inspiring a lot of girls out there who are plus size, who feel very conscious, who may even have PCOD. And not only are you helping yourself today, you're going to help so many out there, and I know that they're going to be commenting saying thank you to you. All right, so first we're going to start with the makeup, and you need to know you have very beautiful skin. Do you know that?
I don't know.
I don't understand. Which mirror are you looking in? Okay, and then we're gonna do your hair, and you need to know you have really gorgeous hair. And then we're gonna take you into wardrobe, and that's gonna be so much fun. All right, are you ready? I'm so excited. All right, so with Divya, I have decided that since she wears so much black all the time, we're definitely taking her out of the black. And I wanted to give her something really structured because she is so conscious of her body, but I wanted to show her that with a little structure, we can slim her down and we can give her a really kind of cute funkiness. So I'm gonna use some stripes, use some structure, use some sets, like the kind of set I'm wearing right now. I don't want to give it all away, but it's going to look so good, and I think it's going to be a new look she's going to love. All right, so first we're going to start off with your base. When you're putting your base on, start with your under eyes, okay? Do you know how to do your own makeup?
Yeah.
You're good at it?
No.
All right. So once you do this, this is what I teach everybody. You need to get a sponge like this, okay? It's really soft. Okay, so we can just dab this in your... We're also going to contour your face, okay? So we give it a nice shape. I contour a lot. I do it here and here because I have quite a big jaw and a little bit of a chubby face. And once you draw the lines of your contour where you want to contour your face, then you use your beauty blender again And you dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. You really just need to do this area here. You bring in your cheeks and lift them up. That's what we're trying to go for, okay? You have the cutest strawberry nose ever. And when you just define it with a little bit of contour, if you look at your nose now, how cute does it look? Looks a little perky, right? And we'll put a tiny bit of highlighter on the tip of your nose. See? And then on the tip here as well, before we put the base. And you know what you can do? You can put a little bit here too. I'm obsessed with your nose. It's so cute. Okay, we're gonna put a bit of highlighter under your eyes as well. Do you know the trick to kind of set your eyebrows before you fill them in? No? You just brush it normally first on both sides, okay? So brush it up. Can you see them standing a little bit? And then you brush them in the opposite direction, both sides. Give them a good brush, okay? Now they're really messy. And then you brush them back. And now, when you fill them in, your eyebrows will seem a little bit fuller. And when you fill in your eyebrows, look for the gaps first and stroke upwards. So if you stroke upwards, it looks more natural, like it's part of your eyebrow, okay? This is my special trick before we put eyeshadow. So I put the white powder right under your eyes. Okay, so why do we do this? Do you know? So when the eyeshadow falls, we can just swish it away after we're done. All right, so I am going to do a slightly smoky eye. So tell me, who are your icons? Like, who do you love to follow?
Arjun Kapoor.
Arjun Kapoor? Really?
Yes, I do.
I'll tell him that you said that. What's the one thing you love most about him?
He's funny, he has got a sense of humor. Any girl will fall for him.
Okay. Now I'm going to contour the eye. So normally when we do one eyeshadow color, then we contour it in the corners, so it just like lifts it even more. So it's almost like drawing a triangle. We go like this and this, okay? And then color it in. That's how you contour, yeah? It's like a triangle in the corner of your eye. That's your smoky eye look, which looks fantastic, right?
Right.
Do you love wearing mascara?
I'm very bad at it.
Okay, so there's a trick. I'll do another trick with you. Close your eyes. And this way, I'm not gonna make your eyes water, but also I'm gonna be touching your bottom lashes. Okay, and now just look straight, okay, and blink. Slowly. Okay, so when you want to clean any mascara residue, wet a cotton tip like this, look up and just take it off, but you have to do it immediately because the mascara is still wet, so it will come off straight away, okay? Okay, and then the magic fan brush. Look up. Swish, 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 swish. Woo, girl! You look amazing. Okay, let's do a lip color. I want to stick to a nudish, neutral tone because we've got a bit of drama in the eyes. I'm gonna add a bronzer highlighter with a blush together. Okay, smile. So we just dab it on your cheek. So we're gonna use this matte melt liquid lip color. And do you know how many women get lip injections? You already have pouty lips. What's wrong with you? To start feeling much more beautiful than you do. Okay, from now on, look in the mirror. I am so beautiful. Say it.
I am so beautiful.
That's damn right, girl. Okay, rub your lips together. Yeah, there you go. Oh my God, you're ready. Okay, come on. Okay, can I have Divya out, please? Woo, woo! Oh my God, you look so good. Okay, show everyone the new you. Oh, she's got the pose. Okay, so I love these beach waves. They make you look young, playful, and glamorous. Now we gave you stripes down to elongate your body, all right? But the skirt is high waist, so I pull it all the way up, right under your chest, so your waist looks really small, okay? And we tie the belt a little tighter, so then this portion looks amazing. If we take this jacket, okay, and we pull it back like this, all right? And we tie a sachet around it. See, it looks like a little fishtail, so you can actually make it a design. And if you want to go that far, you can actually even pin it here so it looks like a design in the back. See? That's so cute. All right, turn around. Is your mum going to love this?
She's gonna love it.
Yeah? Auntie, you're welcome. So you can wear this out with your girlfriends, but you can also wear it on a date. Yeah? A date night. We've had so much fun, but we want all of you to send us thumbs up. They have to like this video very much. And I want you to comment below. Do you want them to comment below? Yes? All right. And of course, subscribe to Be Beautiful. Point over here. And thank you so much for watching this episode of Be Beautiful Presents The Glam Van. I'm Anusha, and I will be back with another ultimate makeover. Bye. Say bye. Come on.
Thank you.
That's okay. What girls' night are you going out to?